did get in an auto accident. I was running into a little jam. I gave Scott a call. He kind of laid it on the line for me and explained to me what was going to happen and about how long was it going to be before they didn't want to hear from me anymore. It couldn't have been to the day that exactly what he said happened. Scott's been fantastic. Basically, it's very comfortable to speak to him. You know, he's more concerned about me than anything else. He's like an overbearing parent. He's worried about what's going on with my back. Well, it happened to be a back injury. What he could do for me, if I need any more treatments. When the insurance company was giving me a hard time, he got on the ball, he got on them. He made sure that everything was taken care of for me to get better. Oh, it's been fantastic. It's been very easy to work with Scott. Actually, he called me more than I called him because he wanted to make sure that everything was okay with me at all times, me and my family. Like I said, fantastic. Made sure all my medical stuff was taken care of, medications when I needed them, when obviously the insurance company was giving us a hard time. He took care of it all. I didn't have to do anything. I was having a problem getting authorizations for all the doctors that I needed to see. Okay, and what they would do is they'd give me a little, let's call it physical therapy, then they would cancel it right away, and then by doing that, the time frame was going further and further, and the condition was getting worse and worse, which Scott was constantly on top of it, constantly going after them for me to get all the medical treatment that I needed. And what they would do to me is they put me in what they call an independent medical examiner. They would probably put me to the furthest one they could find, knowing it's very difficult for me to drive there. Scott would automatically call them up, tell them it was unacceptable, and make them give me a closer appointment and even closer in dates. I would actually recommend Scott to any one of my friends or anybody that I knew that was in any kind of situation that I've been in, obviously, and if I do that, I feel very, very comfortable. My family, my wife, he's been fantastic.
Consultations are always free and confidential. Please call 877-99-NJ-LAW. That's 877-996-5539 or email us at the link below. You are not responsible for a fee unless the Grossman Law Firm recovers on your behalf.